Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm back with another over-the-air TV antenna from ANTOP. This is the AT-211B indoor antenna. It's on sale at ANTOP for half price, $34.99. You can see that it's got this part right here, which is for UHF, and then it has two telescopic antennas for VHF will extend to 21 inches. This frame is 9 by 5 by 0.35 inches. Indoor, amplified. See if I can get, where'd the picture go? Yeah, there's the little amplifier. And it comes with the power supply. There's the little power supply, UBS power supply. So I just tested that this morning. I hope I'm speaking loud enough. I broke my computer this past weekend. Well, let me put it this way. I think Windows broke it. I guess there was an update, and then all my sound quit working. I had no audio out and no mic input. When I started recording this video this morning, no audio in. Playing with cables and wires, everything. Finally had to boost in the OBS software the audio way up, 9 dB, and it's still a little low. So I apologize if it's a little low. I guess I'm going to have to do some more checkout testing of what went wrong. Anyway, so here's the antenna. Somewhere I have a picture of my setup. Oh, there's a little bit of clutter here. This is the antenna right here with the two telescopic pieces. And this window, this is a window behind the curtain here. This antenna is pointing southeast, about 135 degrees, where there's a cluster of over-the-air TV antenna transmitters or digital TV transmitters. And this is the best direction for receiving over-the-air TV at my location. And you can see, looking at all the electronics here, probably not the best environment. All this is off, but then throughout the rest of the room, there's computers and routers, everything going on. So anyway, just want to kind of give you an idea of the environment that these poor little antennas have to deal with. I did the test about 7 a.m. this morning. It was overcast, wasn't any lightning or like that, so that was a factor. And this is the place where I've been putting these indoor antennas. If you go back to my previous videos, you will see that I put them up here approximately. And it's very sensitive to direction. If you change this antenna, if you rotate this antenna 5 degrees even, you're going to lose the station. So it's very sensitive. So what I do is I do a scan, and in the weak signals where I've got dropouts, I try to adjust the antenna's direction to bring those in with no dropouts. So, with all that babbling on, here is the results. So this is my giant spreadsheet with all the antennas I've been testing, and this one is the AT-211B indoor antenna. And if I go back to the top, I'm at the top, nope, okay, there we go. So, come down here, this is all the transmitters, and then I mark how many channels I get on each transmitter. So if I come down here, hello, wake up. There we go. Oh, slipped loose. Tick. I had to come down pretty far before I got anything. So the first one I got was transmitter 28, WFTS. This is the location of, let me move this back up. I didn't mean to bring that down. This is the location of where the license is held. This is where the transmitter is, the distance and the direction. So down here, 28 is about 32 miles from me, and it's southeast at about 107 degrees. I'm on my second floor in my office. Okay, so we got those 5 like several other places, several other antennas did. Got one of these. Again, time of day can determine what channels are coming. Come down here. Got all 6 of these. Again, in the same place, basically. 32 miles away. Got these 6. These 6. And I believe the total is, I think it's 24. I think my count here is wrong because I recounted it when I tried my first video that had no audio. And I think it's just 24. So it's 23, 24. Now, for instance, this is an indoor antenna right here. This is an indoor antenna. This one, on the day I did it, in the conditions that were at that time, I got 42 channels. This one, I got 44. So this one didn't too good. Could be conditions, lots of variables. So I'm going to do one more show because I think I've tested all the antennas I want to test and show you the comparisons, and I'm going to add in here prices, and so you'll get some idea. Now I also tested, I think it was the 210 at my mother-in-law's in Tampa, and so it was closer to the transmitters. I would say the transmitters were maybe 20 to 25 miles away versus 32 miles. They were in a different direction, different house, different trees, lots of difference, but I did about the same. I got about 35, 36 on that little indoor antenna. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. I have a couple more videos from Jeff I got to do, and then maybe I'm caught up for a second or two. I really have fallen behind. Lots of things going on here in my family. Lots of health problems. Anyway, have a great day. Bye-bye. And I hope you can hear this.